Alright, and welcome back. So today I wanted to do some meal prep. I think the last one we did was on sundubu and we made a paste out of it. Today we're going to use the same logic, make a paste out of curry so that you can make rice under 5 minutes, okay? Beat out all of those workday worries and let's start. Alright, the first thing we need is 2 onions and 1 carrot. But I finally bought something from Korean home shopping. I call it the chapa. So I'm just going to give it a shot. I don't know if it works really well. I don't want to at least chop this down. And then, oh man, maybe it's too big. It's stuck. But after the initial chop, it gets easier. Okay, not bad. It's really fast. I think this would be perfect for like keranmari. Anyhow, there are still some large pieces left like that, which is okay. So I think you have to sing a song. Boom, boom, boom. Bum, 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 boom. So we want 1.5 cups of diced onions in here. All right, that's 1 cup and then a half cup. And next we need a carrot. I'm gonna just chop this into smaller pieces so that it chops easier. All right, 1 full cup in. In our curry, we want some meat. I'm gonna use around 400 grams of minced pork. You can use minced beef. And for our lovely vegetarians, a mix of eggplant and mushroom, 400 grams. Beautiful. Final thing, we need a bag of curry powder. You can use Korean curry or Japanese curry, or if you're a curry guru, then you do your thing. All you need is 100 grams. We're gonna just put enough oil to cover the frying pan, coat at the bottom. It's good enough. A key thing here is we're gonna put this on a low heat. The reason we're putting it on low heat is if you get minced beef and you cook it very hot, it'll turn into a meatball. They'll stick together. Put your meat in. You don't have to wait till it gets hot, but just break them up into small pieces like this and keep them from clumping together. That's your only job. Once it starts to gray up, we're gonna add in a few shakes of black pepper. Good. Most of the pink is gone. And now we're gonna raise the heat to a medium. Our carrots and onions in. Mix this in, guys. Then we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Your mission is to cook this down until all of the water from the onions and carrots dissipate. We're gonna store this in the refrigerator and we don't want like extra water coming out from the paste. You see all this water? You haven't beat the boss yet. Keep going. Work, 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 work. So now it's been roughly about 15 minutes. Shoop. Right? No liquid. Then we're gonna put in all of the curry powder. And this is gonna soak up any of the remaining moisture. All right, that looks about good. And that is our curry paste. Let it chill for a sec. Then get out a TPW. All right. Put a lid over it and keep it in the refrigerator. It should be good for up to 2 weeks. All right, so I just poured in 1 cup of hot rice. We'll put it in. Normally for fried rice, you let the rice sit out, but this one we want it hot. And we're gonna drop in 2 large spoons in. That's the second one. Then with the heat off, I just want you to mix this in to the rice. Since the rice is hot, it's gonna mix together a lot easier. Once it's been mixed up pretty well, we're gonna turn it on to medium-high heat. And this is optional, but I like to throw in a little bit of spinach here. I think these might be from the Jurassic period. These are huge. All right, guys. Beautiful. Get a fried egg to the side. A little bit more vegetables on the side. All right, guys, what do you think about this? Beautiful, huh? Put this into a medium heat. We have 1 standard cup, and I filled it up to the 3/4 mark. So 3/4 cup of water in, and then 3 large spoons of our curry paste. That's 1 and 3. Very good. I will just melt this in, and then we just want 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Not too much, guys. That's about good. It just makes the curry taste a little bit more fuller, some more body. All right, and we'll wait for this to come up to a boil. And once it starts to bubble up like this, give it about 1 full minute. And during that 1 minute, that tartness in the ketchup is gonna dissipate away. All right, guys, that looks good enough. Get a little bit on. A little bit of baby greens on the side. We'll hide the tomatoes in the back. Come dig it in.
Thank you.
Where did these hands come from? Move.
Thank you. I've never had this kind of curry before, but it tastes really good. But where's my egg?